Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this everyday makeup look for the days that you want to look put together. You have something important to do, but you don't have enough time to do it because I live that life every single day. So this is a look I came up with using two eyeshadows from the Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter stack. So if you're interested to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Seriously, keep watching. Hashtag 2 Tuesday. Okay, so we're going to start off by priming our eyelid, eye area, and prepping it for the eyeshadow. So, grab any primer you have. I'm going to be using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC Cosmetics and my Zoeva 142 Concealer Buffer Brush. You want a buffer brush that has this kind of consistency. Okay, so what you're doing is dipping in. Again, you can use any primer you like. You can also use concealer. The reason we do this is to create a smooth surface for our eyeshadow so we can blend that out. Makes everything so much easier when you have a smooth surface. So just buff that in. It's gonna get a little tacky, and that's what we want. Now that you laid down your primer, grab your translucent powder. This is in the Laura Mercier container, but it's actually the RCMA no color powder with your beauty sponge. I'm using the Morphe one. Just dip that in. This sponge is wet, by the way. Dip that in and set the primer. If you go in with a primer and you forget to set it, that's just gonna make, it's just disaster waiting to happen because that cream base is tacky and not smooth, so it's gonna grab on and make patches on your eye, on your eyeshadow application, so it's gonna make it look very patchy and just not flattering. Alright, once that is done, we can actually go in with our two eyeshadows that we're using today. So I'm going to be using the Dark Matter stack from Melt Cosmetics, which is this right here. This is two of the eyeshadows that we're going to be using. I'm going to go in with this dark color right here, and this is in the color Unseen. Very pretty translucent color, but we're going to be using it as an all over lid color. And again, we're only using two eyeshadows, so this is going to be very simple, very quick for the mornings that you're like, crap, I need to get out the door, but I have an important meeting today. So just put that all over your lid, all over your crease. And I'm going in with the Sephora brush. This is the Pro Featherweight Crease brush. And this is the brush and brush number 38. So you're going in the crease and above in wiper motion. And then towards the end, you're feathering out. Malachi, hello? Hello? He's so silly. Okay. Don't forget to put that on the outer end of your eyelid right here and all over and swirl. And I kind of did it all over here already. But you know, with eyeshadow, it doesn't look right until you have your full face on, like lashes, liner, eyebrows, the whole shebang. You always get nervous because you're like, oh, I don't know if this is going to look right. And then once everything's put together and laid down, you're like, damn, this looks pretty good. I have my sleeves on myself. And that's pretty much it. That is it for this. Okay. Now going in with the color Blur. This color right here. I'm going to take that in and pack it on the inner corner of my eye with my 234 Smoky Shader Brush by Zoeva. This one right here. It's a flat brush. There we go. And all we're doing is intensifying this just a little bit. And you don't want to go all the way in. You just want to pack it in right there. It doesn't make a significant difference, but it does help separate the color. And that's it. Going back with the same color right here. Just want to make that a little bit darker. Not darker, you know, more intense. There we go. So this is the eyes completed. I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face and I will be right back. So I was going to record this off, you know, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I'm actually going to speed through this process, so you're just going to see me do everything like super fast. But I just want you guys to see how I do my makeup. So for foundation, I'll be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the color 128. Yeah, 128. Alright, so my camera died. Not actually died, it just stopped filming. So what I did is I buffed out the concealer, set my makeup, set my under eye first. I went in and finished my eyebrows, and now we're going to finish the rest of my face. I'm going to contour. I can hear the kids and they're up to no good. Contour, I'm going to be using this Morphe brush that I got in the holiday collection set. So far it's pretty good. Not a bad brush for the amount of price that I paid for it. So going in with the Hoola bronzer. This is a mini that I bought a while back and it's lasted over a year. So I'm going to use this. Go in, and I do have a contouring video on my channel if you guys are interested. So pull my hair back and to contour, you're going to follow your ear line. This is the best way to contour your face if you're not sure how to do it. Top of your earlobe to the corner of your mouth. Ooh, get that double chin, girl. Okay. I'm going to go in with my NYX Contour and Highlighting Palette. Just going to go in with this third color right here. Mix it in with this one. Just to give it a little bit more depth. I'm going to go ahead and go in for my highlight. I'm going to be using the Joseph Color Mírame. With, again, another Morphe brush. This one's from that holiday collection. I'm just using these brushes because, you know, I paid for them. So I'm going to get my money's worth. But surprisingly, they're not bad at all. This one I really like how it applies. I have some other fan brushes from other companies and I like this one better. Keep it low. That's as much highlighting as I do. Okay, now I'm going to zoom you back in. Actually, I'm not going to zoom you back in. All I'm going to do is add some mascara to this ojito over here. Some lips. And we're almost done. So, I went to Ulta when they had their $10 sale on mascaras on Tarte. The brand Tarte. So I got this one, Man Eater. And I got Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1. I like this one a lot. I like this one to separate, but this one I really like what it does to my lashes. Because again, I don't have a lot of lashes. So, anything to help my eyelashes, I will take it. I'm going to curl the lash. I have to tell you all something. I only did the front of my hair. I didn't do the back. It's really late, so I'm just gonna end up taking this off, washing it off. So pull this back. I'm not gonna do false lashes. If you guys want to do false eyelashes, you can. But usually if I'm doing this for work, I skip that because I sit at the computer all day. And I don't know if anybody else has this problem, but my eyes get very tired if I wear lashes staring at a computer all day. So I usually skip that. Make sure to give your lashes some good coats to open up the eye, you know? Now I'm going in with the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. And this gives it volume. The other one's more of a separator. And there we have it. Almost done, guys. For the lips, I'm going to use the I Love Sarai ColourPop lip pencil. I think this is in Curvy. No, this is 951. It's this color right here. Warning, it looks disgusting. But this is it right here. I really actually really like this color and this lip pencil. So line up my lips. Fill them in. My lips are a little uneven, so this side is plumpier than this side. This side's more slanted straight down, and this one's more like up, so I always have to fake it. Okay. Add a little bit of gloss on it. This is another ColourPop. This is another collab, I Love Sarai with ColourPop. It's the lip gloss, and this one is Curvy. So you can tell I love nude. 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 Nerd. So. I always have to clean off my Cupid's bow. Alright. There you have it. This is my everyday makeup look. Let me just set my face. Lately I've been using two things. The Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. And then the Revolutions Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. It's very long. So first I go in with the Mario Badescu. And then I go in with the Revolution one. Now with my wet sponge, I go in and press the spray onto my skin. I just feel like this melts the product into your skin better, and it takes away like the powdery effect. Oh. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is my everyday makeup look using two eyeshadows on the lid to create this everyday makeup look. How many times can I say every day? Let me zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look using two eyeshadows from the Milk Cosmetics Dark Matter stack. And this is the final look. I love it. Simple, yet still very pretty. And it gives you the effect that, wow, she looks pulled together today. So yes, and as you can see, I did my eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please like hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like my video, subscribe if you haven't already, and yep, this is the end of hashtag Tuesday. So till next time, bye guys, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're loved, and you're wanted. Bye guys.